Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we have Trust Wallet open on the home page, and here you have the list of cryptocurrencies that you have from and everything that you contain, and including USDT right there. Now, for us to sell, all we have to do is swap for the crypto and scroll down until you see the USDT, or you can click on Manage Crypto and then search for it for USDT, and then make sure that you enable it right here with this button on the right. Once you do that, it will appear in your collection, and from here all you have to do is click on it, and then from here you can either click on Send, Receive, Swap, Buy, or Sell. If you would like to withdraw it from crypto to cash, then you can simply click on Sell, which will send you to the direction of where you can send it to your bank account or your credit card. If you'd like to withdraw it as a normal cryptocurrency to another, then simply you can click on Send, and then from here you can enter the amount, and then after that you can enter the address which you can get from any other wallet such as Phantom Wallet or any other one. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.